What if I told you the secret to deeper connections, lasting happiness, and stronger relationships starts with you, not with others, not with what you give, but with how much you love yourself first? I know this because I was that person, always there for everyone, family, friends, colleagues, yet at the end of the day I felt empty. I thought love meant sacrifice. I thought happiness came from giving all of myself away. But the truth, I was running on empty. One day I realized you can't pour from an empty cup. If I wanted to truly give, I had to first fill my own life with love, gratitude, and care. That wasn't selfish, it was essential. When I started valuing myself, my time, my energy, my peace, everything changed. I became happier. My relationships grew stronger. People felt my presence, not my exhaustion. Love yourself first. Fill your own cup and watch how naturally your happiness overflows to everyone around you. If this touched you, take one small step today. Write down one thing you love about yourself and share this video with someone who needs this reminder. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit on the bell icon. And also share it with 3 friends so that they also get benefited. Thank you for watching.